Just want to say, you know you own a Jeep if the key gets stuck in the cylinder. I've never had this happen on a car before, but as I was taking this apart, there is a lot of great videos online on how to do this, so I'm not going to show you how. But the barrel here requires a pin, and it actually, if you look at the manual, it says it's a set screw, but I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Get this out of here. This pin looks to be used to crimp electrical wire together. It just happens to fit in that hole perfectly. So it's been in there for 20 years, keeping the ignition in. And obviously I did a little research and found out that this is not the stock lock and cylinder for this Jeep. This is actually from a 1986 CJ7 because it has this slot in it. The 1995 one has a little spring-loaded pin that pops out when you slide it in. Either one will fit in here, but I had to use this one for my Jeep because this cylinder is about 2 millimeters longer than the stock one, and the stock one had trouble engaging with the ignition and actually starting the car. So I went back with this CJ7 1986 ignition. If you guys happen to have the same problem I had, it's because this part right here rounded out. I couldn't get it to actually engage on the new one that I ordered. So off to the auto parts store I went, and O'Reilly's happened to have it. Their part number was 2ILC138. It was around $15 to $17. I can't remember right now, but it wasn't too expensive. Came with 2 sets of keys, and it works just fine. So the only thing I can't find right now is a replacement for the pin for this. We may have to go ahead and use this until I can find something else, but I can't believe that's been in there for 20 years. Anyways, another Jeep mystery solved. So if you're thinking about buying a YJ, you'll learn more about cars working on this thing than anything I've ever owned. So absolutely love it. You should get one. Take care now. Hope this helps you out.